Hello, in this video I want to show you how to check the recordings history of Ctronics Model A3 camera. To do this, we'll need to pair it with Cloud Edge app. I've shown you how to do that in my previous video. Now click on the play button. Here is a history, and now we can check all previous recordings on this timestamp. You can also check the calendar for a specific day, and for example, we want to watch it from 15th, then click like that. You can check the alert, and here's all of the motion detection. Next is screenshots. You can check the screenshot history, records history, and album. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.